Hi everybody, this is the IB package on probability and set theory. This is the section specifically on sets, and this is example 1. So sets represented in a Venn diagram. The Venn diagram alongside illustrates the number of students in a particular class who study chemistry and history. Determine the number of students who, let's take first of all a quick look at the class. So this circle here represents the chemistry group, this represents the people in history. Now you'll notice that this is disproportionate, but it doesn't matter. Don't worry about the size of the circles. And then you got 3 out here who don't participate in either one of those. So when the question says in the class, what we do is we recognize that this square here represents the class. Okay? And so everybody in these numbers here, that encompasses the entire class. So you're either in chemistry, both, just history, or you're in this little group here that doesn't do either of those. You add those all together, okay? And so this is going to be 5 plus 17 plus 4 plus the outside 3, and that gives you a total of 29 people in that class. Okay? The number of people who study both subjects. Now in a previous example, I misread what that was referring to, okay, but I understand in context now, I'm looking for it now. Who study both, this is basically referring to the overlap of these two sets. Okay, so the overlap, people who are in both chemistry and history, simply 17. Who study at least one of these subjects. At least one of these subjects is excluding this group of 3 who don't study either of them. So it's got to be either the people that just study chemistry, just study history, or the people that study both. So that will be 5 plus 17 plus 4, and that will get us a total of 26. The number of people who study only chemistry. Okay, well, this is the chemistry circle. Okay, but this group of people here study history as well. So the number of people that study only chemistry is this bit right here. So we can read that off, and it's just 5.